Hey guys, welcome to my channel. When we last left Rudy, we had a removed cow side of the car here, the panel. We had some cables, and we finally received a speaker that isn't broken. So first thing you do is you line the speaker up over here with the holes. Really only one way to put them in, where it fits on all 3 holes. Everything lines up. Screws in. The one thing that I wanted to kind of point out that I had issue with was the person who sold me speakers. The front little Twitter thing was broken, and I had to deal with a lot of problems to get this done. Something else you might want to look at is the clips here on the side. I was fortunate enough to get some extra clips here. This door, unlike the driver's side door, most of the clips are actually there, and they're very easy to put on. And it looks like I got most everything in here, and they're all relatively good shape. So go ahead and screw this in. Should be a fairly easy process. Stuff coming off my hands here, my hand on the ground. Okay. Go ahead and dump this stuff out here. No passengers, no ants or anything else that might get in the way here. Last step is actually, let's put this on. One of the biggest differences between the BMW standard speakers and replacements are the fact that this is plug up. They do make cables if you do not want to use the same factory speakers. I just didn't want to mess with it, so I chose to reinstall the original speakers that I had. They worked, they sounded good. Why take my chances? Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to hang the door. And before we do that, we're going to connect. So this is a little bit difficult here to try to do. My first plug is the small one here. That goes here on top. So only one way to put it in. And you hate yourself if you connected the door and you didn't connect the box here. Again, these things got grooves, you can't go wrong. I'd slide into the one closer to the top, fits into place. The next thing is actually hanging the door. This is probably the hardest part and the most difficult to show you guys. What I have here is on the door handle, right here. We'll line this up. Put this down for a moment. Let's see if I can actually pause this.